Yes. Hi friends, good evening to all. Okay, welcome to AI with Durga Sir just in 5 minutes. Okay, so let me start some important questions, what important things, whatever I covered with the Claude chart, Claude code. Claude code just started, brief introduction just I provided. Okay, tomorrow we will try to build one application, one application kind of thing. Next, if possible, I may start with some coding kind of thing also. So with vibe coding, we can try to develop an application. Okay, if required, then we will go for a small VS code by using some coding kind of thing also. We may just check. Okay, next co-work we covered. Next, Claude design we discussed. Only Claude code part we require to talk beyond that nothing. Okay, just so up to this whatever I covered, just let me generate some few questions. For every question, okay, we will have wonderful conclusions. So that a small quick revision kind of thing is going to be happening, dosto. Can I start?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
friends? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Just slowly by tomorrow, you people will get, or within 1 or 2 days, you people will get the remaining things. Okay, like, yeah. Yeah, have a look once, friends. Yeah. Cloud code is mainly used for what? Anyone, can you please respond? Cloud code is mainly used for what? Creating only
Record.
images and posters, helping
E.
developers to work with code files, terminal commands and projects, sending only emails automatically, watch YouTube. So helping developers
Yes.
work with the code, files, terminal, commands, and projects. Okay, like so B. Cloud code main purpose. Okay, like so Claude code is mainly used to help developers work with code, files, terminal commands, debugging, and so here Claude code is like a coding assistant inside your development workflow. It can help with coding, fixing errors, explaining code, next on modifying files. It is useful for developers because it can work with the real project structure, not with the normal chart. Okay, like next. So yes. Claude chart is the best for which type of work? Okay, Claude chart is best for which type of work? Chart. The name itself indicates, right? Was chatting. Okay, it is best for which type of activity? Claude chart.
Hmm.
Yes, friends. Only
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
running terminal commands, only editing local computer files, only connecting Canva designs, general conversation, explanation, writing, learning, and brainstorming. Okay, general conversation, explanation, writing, learning, and brainstorming. For this type of activity, happily we can go for Claude chart. Okay, Claude chart is the best for general conversation, learning, explanation, writing, brainstorming, summaries, and idea generation. Claude chart is like a smart teacher or discussion partner. It is useful for learning topics, creating content, improving prompts, and getting explanation. Claude chart does not directly control your local files like Claude code. Does not directly control your local files. So I want to create a file. I want to create a file. I want to create a directory. Can I use Claude chart? Usually, no. We will go for what? Claude cowork or Claude code like. So does not directly control your local files. Okay, like yes. So normal conversation say happily we can go for Claude chat. Okay. Next, Claude cowork. Claude cowork is mainly useful when you want to Claude to work with that. So can you please tell Claude cowork only offline games, only offline game connected to tools, sir. Claude
E.
cowork. Claude Cowork, only Java programs, only photo editing, like connected tools like Gmail, calendar, files, and work apps. And it is the best assistant, okay, to do like. Now, here say this. Claude Cowork is mainly useful when Claude works with connected tools like Gmail, calendar, documents, files, and Worker. Claude Cowork is like work assistant, okay, connected to your apps. It can help real work tasks like checking emails, calendar, files, workflows. So difference, Claude Chat explains ideas, but Claude Cowork can help with connected work context. Okay, like next. Okay, Claude design is mainly useful for what? Writing only backend Java code. Claude design is mainly useful for what? Creating visual designs, posters, slides, layouts, and creative concepts. We remember, right? We covered already.
Yes,
Claude
sir.
design concept. Yeah. Claude design is mainly used for creating. Okay, Claude design is visual creativity, not mainly for coding or terminal work. It helps making posters, presentations, graphics, and design ideas faster. Claude chart, taking, talking, and learning. Claude code, coding. Claude cover, connected work apps. Claude design, visual creation. Okay, just observe that. Clear learning difference between these things. Okay, which option correctly explain the difference between Claude Chat and Claude Code? Claude Chat is for coding only. Claude Code is for normal conversation. Claude Chat is for general help. Claude Code is for working deeply with the code and project files. Both are only for image generation. Both are sending. Sir, Claude Chat is for general help. Claude Code is working deeply with code and project files. Correct, right? So,
Yes, sir.
B. Yeah. So Claude chart, thinking, explaining, writing, learning, coding, debugging, editing files, project level work, Claude code. Which option best explains, which option best explains the difference between Claude chart and Claude cowork? Which option best explains the difference between Claude chat and Claude cowork? A Claude chat is for normal conversation. Sir, Claude chat and Claude coworker. Claude chat is for normal conversation. Claude coworker can help connected work, apps, and workplace context. Is only for drawing cartoons and so on. Which one is the correct answer?
A.
Yeah. Yes, friends. So already we had it in general. Just I asked the wrong prompt. It seems okay. Anyway, no issue. Design versus code. Design versus code. It is mainly for visual creation like posters, slides. It's mainly for Python. Huh? So which option best explains Claude design? Claude design. Already we covered. Yeah. You want to fix bugs in Java project, update files, and test commands in terminal. Which code option is the best suitable for this? You want to fix bugs in Java project. Obviously,
B.
fixing.
Cloud code.
Yeah.
B, sir. Cloud code.
Yes. You want to Claude to check your email, understanding calendar meetings, and help work with the documents. Which code option is suitable? Check email, calendar meetings, and help with the work documents. Which one is the best suitable? C.
C.
Claude Cowork is the most suitable. Okay, like yes. You want to create a beautiful course poster, slide layout, and Instagram creative for students. Sir, course poster, slide layout, Instagram creative for students. Which Claude option is the most suitable?
D.
Claude design.
Design, design,
D.
design,
Hmm.
design. We can use. So that's it. Sir, here anyway, Claude chart, learn, explain, write, brainstorm, Claude code, coding, debugging, files, terminal, Claude Coworker, Claude design. Okay, like you people should be aware. Posters, slides, layouts, and visual creatives. Happily, we can go for Claude design. Okay, so just the idea say consistency say only I'm covering. Okay, I hope everyone in the position to understand these things already you aware. Nothing there is no new thing at all. I hope correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So just tomorrow I will spend some time. Don't worry at all. Just for sake consistency sake only I'm taking this session. Tomorrow I will spend some time to explain the things. Okay. Just only tomorrow I will start mostly from Hyderabad. So they are from my native place. Day after tomorrow onwards I will be there. Don't worry. Just because my parents are traveling to US. Just some important work's sake I came to native place. Okay. So
Okay.
tomorrow, yeah. Tomorrow
Sure,
I
bro.
will spend some time.
Take care.
Okay, right, sir. Thank you.
Sure, sir.
Bye bye.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
sir.
sir.
Bye.
Good night,
Bye.
sir.
Good night.
Bye.